How to change font in Roblox game. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change font in Roblox game. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, you will need to choose a font you want to use. Websites like DaFont have a vast library of fonts to browse. So simply look through the categories and find a font that you like. And once you have found that, simply click download and it will be saved as a zip file. And next, ensure you are using the browser version of Roblox, which you can access at roblox.com. And from there you can select any game to play, and if you don't have Roblox player installed, you will be prompted to download and install it. And this only takes a minute, and once that's done, you can follow these steps to access your Roblox font folder. So first, locate the downloaded font file and extract it to a folder like your downloads folder. And after that, in your Windows Start menu, search for Roblox player, and from there you can simply select Open File Location. And in the new window, right click on the Roblox player shortcut and select Open File Location again. And from there, simply open the content folder and then go to the fonts folder. And inside the fonts folder you can simply locate and remove the two files, and after removing that you can simply replace the downloaded files that you have downloaded earlier from the DA font. And once you have replaced the font files, you can launch the Roblox player either by opening the shortcut or starting a game from your browser, and your new font should be now applied. But keep in mind that some Roblox experiences use their own fonts, so not all text may change depending on the game. With this, I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.